Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Bitget account. This guide will walk you through the steps to enable 2FA for your account. Step 1. Log into your Bitget account. Start by visiting the Bitget website and logging in with your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure and private internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section in the menu. This is where you will find options related to account protection. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, find the option for Two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. You may be prompted to verify your identity through an email or SMS code. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save settings. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will need to enter the verification code generated by the app or sent via SMS. Once confirmed, save your settings. Ensure that 2FA is now enabled by checking the security settings. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Bitget account, enhancing its security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.